When water backs up into your kitchen sink, notice what was running immediately before it happened. The sink, garbage disposal, dishwasher, and drain line are connected, so the trigger can identify where the blockage is hiding. If one basin fills when you run water into the other, the clog is probably beyond the point where both drain lines join. Food, grease, and soap residue may be blocking the P-trap or the pipe leading into the wall. If water rises when the garbage disposal runs, switch it off and disconnect its power. A jammed disposal, blocked discharge pipe, or clogged P-trap may be preventing water from leaving. Never place your hand inside the disposal. Does the backup happen when the dishwasher drains? Water may be meeting a blockage at the disposal connection or shared kitchen drain. A missing dishwasher high loop can also allow dirty sink water to flow back toward the dishwasher, although it does not usually cause the main sink clog itself. If the kitchen sink backs up when another fixture is used or several drains are slow, the obstruction may be deeper in a shared drain or sewer line. Stop running water before the backup spreads or overflows. Remove standing water, inspect the P-trap, and use a hand-operated snake if the local connections are clear. Avoid repeatedly running the disposal because it cannot force water through a blocked drain. What triggers your backup, the second basin, disposal, dishwasher, or another fixture? Tell us in the comments.